Hey everybody, it's me, Greg Mannarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, August 25th, 2015. All right, everyone, lots of stuff going on here. Let's start off with this. As I am doing this video blog, the U.S. stock market is higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up about 300 points. I want to talk about what is occurring here and what we can expect as we move forward. It's very important. I covered this in some of yesterday's video. Um, I still believe, beyond any doubt, the word here is caution, and we are experiencing somewhat of a dead cat bounce, but there is something else going on, which is getting almost no coverage, even on the financial channels, and there's something behind it. What am I referring to? Well, yesterday, the Shanghai Composite yet again fell almost 8%. That's tremendous. Could you imagine if here in the United States we had 2 consecutive days of 8% sell-off? You would see people on the financial channels probably crying or sucking their thumbs in the corner. They need something to grab onto to push their narrative that the U.S. stock market is healthy and it will continue to go higher. That is simply not the case here. We had a dramatic sell-off here in this market over the past several days, which was anything but normal. Anything but normal. You have, even today, there are a lot of the talking heads out there trying to say that the sell-off that we have witnessed over the past several days is just a normal market action and we have nothing to worry about. It's normal. How about this? Yesterday, and I went over this yesterday, we had the largest point drop in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Are you ready for this? In history. In history. So that's a little bit outside the norm, don't you think? But they will not tell you this. Again, they need to keep you in line. They need to keep the people brainwashed. And that's another reason why they're not mentioning why the U.S. stock market is higher. Other than a dead cat bounce, we had the People's Bank of China yet again slash their benchmark interest rate, and that is pushing U.S. stocks higher. What has changed here in the United States? Is our economy, did it change since yesterday? Are our stocks now undervalued? Look, it should be very plain to see what is occurring here. Their narrative is simple. They need to sell you something. They want you to get in there and buy stocks. They will never tell you, never, that it's a good time to sell. They will only tell you it's a good time to buy, and that's the narrative today. You should be getting into this market. You should be buying this, that, and some of the other thing. Are you kidding me? This is not over. Now, if you are a trader like myself, there is opportunity here, no doubt about it, but you have to be cautious. Cautious. Today, earlier in the day, I bought calls on Amazon. January 490 calls on Amazon. And as usual, I enter a small initial position. I watch that position. If it goes in the direction I believe it should go, then I will add to it. If it goes the opposite way, what do? I close it with a minimal loss. Period. This is how you make this business work for you. Let me talk about something else just real quick. I had went short the paper derivative of gold, ticker GLD, the other day. I posted it right on my site where I put all my trades. A lot of people got offended by that and wrote to me, Greg, I can't believe you're going short GLD. Why? Look, I saw opportunity there. I'm a businessman, and I take advantage of whatever I can here in these markets. Please don't take this personally, and there's no reason why anyone should be offended by that. That's the bottom line. That's all I have to say with regard to that. All right, so look, what I really wanted to do here with this video is kind of counter what the mainstream is pushing, their narrative that the market has capitulated. It has not capitulated, period. Okay, this is not normal what we have seen, and there is more selling to come. This market will remain under pressure despite this dead cat bounce that we're having, which could last a day or two, no doubt about it. In fact, I'm hoping it does. Again, why I bought calls on Amazon. And again, this issue with the People's Bank of China slashing their benchmark interest rate. That's what's pushing stocks up here. Nothing else. It's not that our stock market is healthy, not that our economy is healthy. As a matter of fact, we heard from Nobel Prize winning economist Robert Shiller today, who's saying the housing market looks bubbly. Now let's see. I've been saying that, I don't know, for like 8 months. Honestly, I think these people got to get with the program here. Alan Greenspan, another one. Now he's talking about the debt market being unstable and bubbly. I've been saying that for years. They're a little bit behind the curve. Um, so anyway, with that said, please be cautious here in the market. Do not go rushing in if you have money to invest. Sit on the sidelines if you are not sure of what to do. If you're a trader, there is opportunity upside down, backwards, and sideways here. Speaking of that, um, I am now posting all of the results of my trades on my site, traderschoice.net, on the equity list page. If you're interested in seeing the results of my trades, they're right there for you. As a matter of fact, I'm going to place links in the description of this video and in the comment section so you can just check it out. Frankly, look, my record is phenomenal, and I'm not afraid to say that. And if you want to look at it yourself, it's right there. All right, with that said, I will see all of you later. Over and out.